The APAM is Israel's latest tank round that can take out helicopters, destroy bunkers, and breach reinforced walls for ground troops to clear out buildings. Hearing about it is one thing. On future weapons, you want to see it. Will it live up to all the hype? Close quarter combat in an urban environment is one of the most dangerous things that troops will ever have to face. People can fire on armored vehicles from enclosed positions, making it much harder for them to defend themselves. Tanks need to have the capability to penetrate bunker structures like this. What we've done is set up a situation. This is 8 inches of double reinforced concrete. The APAM's mission, fired from the tank, is to come through here, penetrate this hole, come into this room, and then have that secondary explosion where all the tungsten pellets fly out and take out the guys who are going to take out them. Imagine being able to travel a half a mile per second. The APAM does it no problem. It's so powerful we cleared the target area and are using 3 high-speed cameras to see exactly what happens.
To capture the result of this explosion, we're shooting it at 4,700 frames a second. Here we go.
We are going to fire.
I've never seen what it will do to concrete walls, but the APAM is combat proven. I hope we see devastating results. Here it comes, right? Set in delayed mode, the timer allows the round to burst through the wall. A secondary detonation takes out the inside of the room with deadly tungsten pellets, removing any threat. I am the first guy to admit that I love blowing stuff up, but it is important to remember that this stuff is serious business. The APAM is used on combatants. It's designed to remove a threat that there is almost no other way of handling. It comes in here, it goes off, and what's left is the nightmare inside. In urban environments, troops need to clear out buildings, but why go through the front door where the enemy might be expecting you? APAM can create an entrance anywhere you want it. Tell me, how do you get those different capabilities with just one round?
Well, we have the warheads inside the projectile and a time fuse, an electronic time fuse in the front, and in the rear we have an impact fuse. And that impact fuse has options also, either a delayed action mode so that it penetrates the building, exploding inside, or a super quick mode, or it explodes on impact, opening that big hole, allowing the infantry to get into that room quick and take care of whatever's inside.
In impact mode, APAM makes quick work of a double reinforced concrete wall, leaving a big hole for me to move right through. It does it by detonating all of its charges at once. And the mission is to clear enough of the concrete wall and debris out of the way so that if I had to, I could enter that building. This is only one round, but as you can see, I can easily fit through and do what I gotta do. If they need to, they can fire 2, 3 to clear out enough space
to bring a whole squad right in.
Why load 4 different rounds into a tank when the APAM can do everything you need? IMI is developing a 120mm version for the Merkava Mark IV. Together, let's just say you don't want to run into them on the battlefield. Next, I put Israel's latest anti-tank defensive system to the test. Iron Fist brings a haymaker to the battlefield.